Hare Krishna, welcome back to Mayapurvasi. Let's make a Tulsi garland for our beloved Krishna. Just now I gathered fresh Tulsi leaves from my garden. Also washed it twice and kept it ready for making garland. Before that, make sure to spread a newspaper or sheet and then make a garland. You need thread and scissors. I am going to make garland with 3 batches of tulsi. Now I am taking the first batch. Let's begin. Keep a tulsi strand towards up and other towards down. Now bring the thread down and twist as shown. Then tie a knot. Continue this process. Now I completed the first batch. Separate the single tulsi leaves which we cannot make garland. We can offer it to the lotus feet of the Lord. Now I am taking the second batch. Continue the same process. A tulsi strand towards up and other towards down. Now bring the thread down and twist as shown. Tie a knot. Now I completed the third batch. So tie 2 or 3 knots at the end. The garland is ready, but one step is left. Leave a gap as per Lord's neck size and tie a knot. That's it, our garland is ready. Krishna is so merciful. He accepted our garland. Hare Krishna.